Here's my hair, and I'm showing you the wefts and how dirty they are. Clearly dirty, and there's still thread still left inside of them. So first, as you can see, I start off by taking the thread out the wefts. Clearly you see that I have a lot of thread in them, so I try to take them out before I wash them. Then I fold it together so that way I can hold it easily when I wash. So next I wet the hair and make sure all the hair is wet. And also make sure your wefts are wet too, because of course you want to wash that also. So continue to run the water through the hair so that way it can be wet. So in this step, I pour the shampoo onto the hair. Oh, I pour a lot. But then you want to work that shampoo through the hair, girl, because you know it's dirty. And it's very dirty. And make sure you get those wefts, because them wefts need clean. And that's the dirtiest part. I saw a lot of dirt on the wefts. And then you want to make sure you just work the shampoo through, because you want that hair to be clean. And then I continue to wash and wash and wash until I know that it's clean. And then I wash it out. Wash all of the hair, like wash it all out. Make sure you get the wefts, all that shampoo out of the hair. And then I continue to wash and wash and wash, because I want to make sure all the shampoo is out before I apply the conditioner. So now that all that shampoo is out, I put the hair back together to the way I like holding it. And in this step, I use both the conditioners. First, I use the keratin, and then I use the mane and tail. I love using both the conditioners together, because once I wash the hair, it looks so amazing and it feels so great. I love the softness of the hair, so that's why I mix both conditioners together. So that's something I like doing. You don't have to do it, but I love mixing those two conditioners together, and it turns out perfect. Oh, my hair is looking so pretty. Look at that. So now that I made sure all the conditioner is worked through the hair, I put the hair in a plastic bag, of course, any type of bag, but I make sure that I let the hair sit for at least a good 45 minutes to an hour, so that way it can work through and do its magic. So now that my 45 minutes is up, you can do 45 minutes, you can do an hour, you can do two, you can do even three, just however long you want to. But I did 45 minutes because I'm about to use it again. But right here, I am washing it all out. And let me tell you, oh my gosh, it is so soft. but you want to make sure you wash all the conditioner out. I will take the bundles apart and wash them that way also to make sure all the conditioner is out. But right here, I'm just showing you that I'm washing them all out and it's coming back to its curl pattern. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Oh my gosh, my hair is looking so pretty. Look at that curl pattern. It is coming back to life. Oh my gosh. Comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.